Okay guys, welcome back to my channel. And I went to the store and I bought these oven bags, and so today I will be preparing steak and shrimp. And so I added it in this bag already. This is a quick tip on how you can cook food real fast if you're like me, because I have anemia, and a lot of times I need to just have my stuff cooked real fast. So I seasoned it already, and these are the seasonings that I use. I use parsley flakes, I use minced garlic, and I use some of this obey. Now obey, you can use it on any type of meat. What I do is it only says crab, shrimp, and chicken, but I use it on my steak as well. And and also right here it has how you can use it on turkey, poultry, beef, lamb, and it's just a whole list. And the timing, you also have it on. And some things like people add, you can add the water to the bag. It says flour, you can add a tablespoon of flour to give it that juice. Um, just different things. And it comes with this. It have at least, I think it's 6 bags I have with this. And I have these tiles, and I have this oven that I'm gonna put it in. I'm gonna say conventional, but have this oven I'm gonna put it in, and yeah, to see how it turns out. And I did it once before, but I cooked the shrimp and my crab in there, and it came out nice. So these are the shrimp that I got. It's say 31 to 40, and so yeah, and I seasoned this up real good in this bag. And for me, like I said before, I have to have my meals real quick because I don't have people cooking for me like that. I have to cook my own. And if you looked at my prior videos, I mentioned anemia, and one day I'm gonna do a um story time on um how to how do I cope with it, and what things that you need to deal with anemia, because this is something that everybody needs to know, and what could you do to prevent, at least keep it up. Anemia to me never goes away, but there's a lot of techniques that you can have before you have to go to the doctor, because basically um that'll be another different story, because there's a whole lot of stuff to that. But anywho, yeah, so I got these bags right here at the 99-cent store. Well, it's the Dollar Tree, and they were like $1. And then it came with I think it was supposed to be in 4 bags, but it came with 6, and then it had the bow tie. So it's it's a very like, it's a good thing. So yeah, and it said on the back of this, it has how you can heat up the to 390 Fahrenheit. Add your ingredients, and then you tie the bag up. You put all the ingredients in, tie the bag up, and then you put it in the oven. You gotta put, like, poke holes in the bag, but usually I don't, because I like, well, I probably put one, because I like all that seasoning that you have to marinate the meat as it's cooking too. So you can do it your way, but yeah. So, and then it all has a warning, like, keep it away from the racks and heating elements. And this is not a promotion video. This is just to show you how fast it is to cook convenient food like this in an oven, and with in this bag right here. I mean, some of you guys cook, some of you cooks, you know what I'm talking about. But to me, it'll be a better way, because I get to sit down and I have to stand in the kitchen, and when I'm exhausted. So you just go right, ploop, pop it in the oven, and then you have it. But anyway, so I seasoned this with all the ingredients, and I'm about to put it in the oven now. So when I come back, I'm going to show you the results of this, and how did it turn out, and what have you. So thank you for watching. Like and subscribe to my channel, and stay tuned. So I'm just going to tie it and put the bow tie on, and then pop it in the oven. And you can see how I have all the flavoring and the shrimp in the bag. And that's what I'm about to do right now. So stay tuned. So I'm poking holes in on these two sides with this knife. And then now I'm going to just put it in the oven. So guys, it's in the oven, and it's getting don't know if you guys can see that, but it's getting almost done. So stay tuned for that. You can see it bubbling. I don't know if you guys can see it. Okay guys, so I'm back and I took some of the juice out of this bag and it cooked pretty good. So it would start. So guys, this is the finished product of this food, and I'm gonna take it out the bag, and then I'm gonna be having me some of these Idaho potatoes. Let me show you what they look like. They're like this. They already come buttered and seasoned. These are fire. They come from Dollar General, like $1. Inconvenient, and it's like homemade mashed potatoes. So this is just a quick and easy way how you can have a quick, easy meal. And this meal, to tell you the truth, I put it in the oven, and it's been about, I think about good 20 minutes or 30 minutes in this bag, cooking with this bag on some real stuff. So we're gonna see how this goes when I plate this up. So stay tuned and keep watching. So I'm gonna pour some water inside these instant potatoes, and these are fire, y'all, and I'm not kidding. And they already buttered. They already got the salt on them, all the stuff. These are some really good home style instant potatoes. And you see this. I'm going to be adding some parsley to that. If I ever open this bag, I'm just going to sprinkle a little of this on there. And I'm telling y'all, when I say seasoned and buttered, oh, this is seasoned and buttered already. And like I said, they only cost $1. Look how thick that gets. Woo, Lord Jesus. So stay tuned. I'm going to plate this up and show you how my steak and my shrimp and my potatoes are. And I also have some, I also have Hawaiian rolls. Turn the camera around. And these are fire too. Like, I know y'all know what these is. These, I paid, I think it was like $2 for this bag. Probably cheaper than that. I think it was $1.55. I don't remember. I got it from Food Co. But anyway, so look at these potatoes, y'all. So they are delectably delicious. So stay tuned. We're going to plate this up, and you're going to see the quickest way how to make you a meal in the oven. And just buying stuff like this, because I got anemia. And hey, I need to eat my meal fast. Okay, guys, so here's my plate. And as you can see, guys, it's all done. Look at this. Now, I'm going to tell you, this been in here for like 20 minutes. Look how, let me get a piece of the steak. It is tender. It's I don't know what. And that's from being in the bag. And it's only been in there like 30. I'm going to give roughly 30 minutes. Look how tender that is. And look at the, and look at the, shrimp. So, thank you guys for watching. God bless you. Like and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching this quick video. And come back for the next video. Mix this in. Fire, you guys. It's fire. So let me get into this plate. And stay tuned. Like I said, like and subscribe. Share my videos. And you can donate me. I'm going to leave my Cash App at the end of this video for future reference. Everything that I do on this video is to promote my videos, better cameras, whatever. If you feel free to donate to my page.
Jingle bell rock. Jingle bells swing and jingle bells ring. Snowing and blowing up bushels of fun. Now the